What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to enable custom thumbnails for your YouTube account. Now if you just created a YouTube account and you're trying to upload your first video and adding a custom thumbnail, you might be left with a message that is not allowing you to do so, and it's kind of confusing on how to get to the steps where you're able to have a custom thumbnail, but it's actually really simple. All you have to do is verify your phone number on YouTube, and I'm going to be showing you just how to do that today. So the first thing that you're going to end up doing here is you're going to hit your profile picture in the upper right hand corner when you're on the YouTube home screen. And then from here, you're going to head on over to the YouTube Studio. It's going to be about the third option down if you've never been there. It's a helpful tool for all creators. So if you're just starting out your channel, I highly recommend that you check this out and look through the analytics and all that stuff. What you're going to do on this screen, though, is you see the toolbar all the way to the left there. You're going to hit settings. It's going to be about the 10th one down there, and it's going to take you to your channel settings here in YouTube Studio. Just going to have this pop-up message right here. And then basically what you're going to do here is hit the channel button on the left. Again, it's going to be the second option down this time, though. And then all the way to the right there on the tabs at the top is going to be a feature eligibility tab. And what you're going to do is hit the drop down menu second below for features that require phone verification, and you could see right there that your phone is probably not verified if you're watching this video. And once you verify it, you'll be able to do all those features such as upload 15 minutes and upload custom thumbnails like you were just talking. So there should be a little button there where you could verify your phone number, and I don't have it there obviously because I am already verified, but if you don't, you could just verify your phone number real quick and you will be all set to go. If you found this helpful today, though, be sure to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.